People have loved Chandler and Monica, or Mondler, for their amazing chemistry in the series. What makes their relationship worth the hype is not just their love, but also the support they give each other. Monica helped Chandler with his commitment and family issues, and he adored all of her adorable clean freak kinks. Healthy relationships don't come as a gift from God for everyone. We strive to make our relationships with our friends or family good enough for better mental peace. Not only have we set ourselves up to fail, we lack the perspective to even know where to begin in creating healthy, loving relationships for our lives. Love is not enough for a couple who share an intimate bond. It must have respect, honesty, loyalty, and fun. A healthy or unhealthy relationship has an impact on our daily behavior and enthusiasm. A healthy relationship promotes emotional well-being. But how can you find out whether or not your relationship is healthy enough? What elements define a good relationship? What are the elements to be proud of or include in your relationship? Well, as always, we're here to help you guys out. So let's get started. First, mutual trust. Chandler was a man who always had this fear of commitments. After spending a great deal of time with Monica, he started to have faith in her. He trusted Monica to not push him because of his insecurities, but to gradually remove them with love and support. Both of them could always count on each other and keep their promises. In other words, they were best friends first. If your partner is reliable enough that you can trust them in the worst of situations, then that's something to be proud of. Trust really just comes down to each person being completely honest with the other even when it's uncomfortable. Trust allows you to be more open, giving, and forgiving. Second, respectful communication. Communication is really important for any relationship to stay on track. Lack of communication can lead to misunderstandings, loosening of strings, and more. But your conversation must have respect attached to it, for the partner to feel respected, loved, and dignified. Does your conversation have frequent taunts, criticism, sarcasm, attacks related to the past relationships, or personal attacks? If you answered yes to any of these, then your relationship lacks some health. Be more acceptable towards the past lives or some dents in your partner. After all, no human's perfect, not even the ones who have undergone surgeries. Third, affection. Emotional affection makes your partner feel more secure and cared about. If you can freely express your thoughts, kudos to you. But if you have to think before saying something or backspace a little bit, then my friend, you need to work. Validate each other more often and never hesitate to apologize. You never know, your one sorry can bring everything back to normal. On the other hand, physical affection is equally important. Making eye contact while talking gives them the affirmation that you respect whatever they're saying. A hug or a forehead kiss may make their anger or frustration vanish at once. Fourth, mutual assistance. Mutual assistance in any field, be it a classroom or an office, is really important. You, as a student or as an office colleague, must have expected assistance from your fellow classmates or colleagues. In order to have expectations fulfilled by them, we must always provide assistance from our side too. That's what mutual assistance is. In a relationship, this mutual assistance is very important because it makes you feel stronger and less alone. Having the support of your partner in hectic times eases your stress and burden. Fifth, irreplaceability. There is a significant difference between wants and needs. This difference falls under the thin line between dependence and irreplaceability. While the former portrays your own incapability to be on your own, the latter, on the other hand, displays your yearning for a partner. When you say that a loved one is irreplaceable, you're implying the effort someone has put in to understand you and care for you. It weighs more than any new bond that will take years to reach the same level. To analyze the signs of a relationship that lasts, you have to make sure that you and your partner deem each other irreplaceable. If you essentially feel that your partner is irreplaceable, it not only shows your affection and attachment towards them, but it also makes it evident that the bond has surpassed the test of compatibility. You've found peace and comfort in each other, and you're officially two blocks molded to fit each other. While the presence of love is the most important thing in any relationship, it alone cannot sustain it. These elements make up love and help a relationship bloom better and longer. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for helping our channel grow.